Is that you?
No.
Oh, okay.
Somebody else.
Oh, all right.
Johnny! I wasn't sure if you're going to be out here or not.
What'd you say?
I said, I wasn't sure if you're going to be out here or not.
Oh, yeah, we got here this morning.
Okay.
Where is she? There she is. Mwah. Mwah. What's up?
Oh, you got it back?
Yeah. I got it back. So we know what the outside looked like. How's the inside? Nice and clean, huh?
Oh, inside's in good shape.
Nice and clean.
So what's it look like after you, can you get it nice and clean? Like wash it?
It never gets completely
That's what I
clean.
was gonna say. Like, what's it look like after?
No, it
After
hasn't been
this.
completely clean in 2 years.
That's awesome. So what is this? What do you do?
Living Life magazine. I'm a photographer.
Oh, okay, cool. There you go. So did anybody get a picture of you in there?
Yeah, no, I don't think so.
I got the video. I got the video.
Good.
You can take a few pictures off of
Post
it.
it out to Living Life magazine.
I will.
Get our Facebook page. Yeah.
I will. Where's your camera?
In the back.
All right, I'll post it.
I appreciate
There
it.
you go. Where are you out of?
Parish.
Oh, okay. All right. Cool. Have fun. Be careful.
All right, thanks.
See ya. What's that? Oh, naggers. I'm working. I didn't bring the dogs today. I'm on a clock making videos. What the hell is this? What do you got? What, are you afraid to get dirty now? Wait, hold on.
Like a limo now.
Okay, so who's this? Who do we have here? You know my line.
Nick, that's money.
There you go. Limitless 4x4. He's the one that hooked me up right there. What's going on? What are you guys afraid to get dirty now? So whose is that?
Fine.
Oh, look how clean he is. Look. You probably been you were here all weekend. You're nice and clean.
I know.
Holy cow. So that's new.
Yeah. First time out with that one.
Oh, it is? Okay. So.
You get the front six or no?
Yeah, my neighbor. It was a wheelbarrow. Yeah. So Adriana, you want windows on that? You want windows?
You're like a mini hammer.
Like a mini Hummer. That's awesome. Wait, okay, how's this? Yeah, it is nice and clean in here, huh? Oh, look at this. He's got the AC on in here too. So it's got heat.
Everything, man.
Heat, AC. No kidding. Look at this thing. Yeah. If this thing doesn't work, then I'm going to turn it into a utility vehicle, and I'll just collect garbage around churches.
Go find a way. Go find a way.
Oh yeah.
Watching you guys for years.
Hey, thank you. And who do we have here?
Charlie
From
Fort Myers.
Oh, nice, Fort Myers. All right.
Yeah, I go to every Trucks Gone Wild event. First time out here and playing bamboo.
Oh, it's first time?
Yeah.
Damn it, boy. What took you so long?
I've been going to yacht club since I was 14, and you know, that's like my home base.
And how long ago was 14?
I'm 22.
Oh, and you missed out on this place?
Oh, yeah.
Oh,
I love
dude.
it, though. It's fun.
It is awesome, isn't it? Yeah, cool.
right,
man, nice meeting you. Thanks for stopping by and saying hi. See ya. What's going on?
Oh, man. Watching the show.
There you go. Now we're talking.
Yes, sir.
I want to see how this turns out. That's my next thumbnail right there. That's my next thumbnail. I mean, I don't know if I would stand there because if that rope breaks. With the bug. There you go. They got him out. 2 trucks.